In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage your Google Contacts in N8N so you can automatically create, update, and organize your contacts. First, open your N8N workflow and click the plus button to add a new node. Next, search for Google Contacts and select the Google Contacts node. Next, create a new Google credential by signing into your Google account and authorizing N8N to access your contacts. Once connected, choose the operation you want to perform, such as creating a new contact, updating an existing contact, retrieving contact information, or deleting a contact. After that, configure the required fields like the contact's name, email address, phone number, and any additional information you'd like to include. When everything is set up, click Execute Node to test the workflow. And that's it. You've successfully created an N8N workflow to automatically manage unwanted emails and keep your inbox organized. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description